Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
What's up guys, I'm Andy from 1A Auto. Today I'm going to show you how to check your washer fluid and top it off in this 2008 Chevy Silverado. If you need parts for your vehicle, click the link in the description and head over to 1aauto.com. So you're going to want to make sure your hood's open. And then right over here on the driver's side, this little cap right here, this piece is broken off, but normally it would just flip up. You're going to pop that off. Take some washer fluid. There's different kinds of washer fluid. You have regular washer fluid, then you have extreme cold washer fluid, or some is made for bugs on your windshield, and some is made for cold. So you can add different types of washer fluid. Top that off, take the cap, re-secure the cap, and then you're good to go.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1aauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.